Okay, let's go over how to get Alexa to say some things for you. You want her to say what you want her to say, right? So we're gonna go to whoopsie, right? Alexa, right? Open up Alexa, and of course I need to quit saying her name because she's listening. I'm gonna click on routines. You're gonna click on my routines, right? And then you're gonna hit the little plus button right up here. Alrighty, add an event. Okay, let's say me, right? So, okay, I ask Alexa, how was your day, right? Alright, so if I say, Alexa, how was your day? Now she's...
My Thursday's been thoroughly thrilling.
Right now she says something. It's not really what I want her to say though, right? So we're gonna say, Alexa will, whoopsie, and of course it's listening to me again. We want her to say, and we want to customize it, right? Okay. So I'm gonna have her say, my day was a bore without you. So I was so lonely, please don't leave me alone again, right? Cool, we're gonna hit next. We're going to hit next again, and then we're gonna hit save, right? Boom. Alright, so it'll take up to a minute to do, but we're gonna add another one, right? Because we're gonna have a little bit of a conversation with her. So we're gonna do voice, and we're gonna say, wow. Then we're gonna have her say back. Alright. So then we're gonna have her say that. Alright. Gonna hit next. Next. Okay. Save. Finish saving. Can take up to a minute for her to recognize it, but well, let's see how it works, right? Okay, so now that we have those two very simple routines put in, let's try them out, right? Alexa, how was your day?
I'm great. It's Thursday, or as some like to call it, Friday Junior. And by some, I mean me. But it's almost Friday. Yippee!
Okay, so we have to go in and edit that one, because evidently she's hard-coded into something else, right? Let's just try with, how are you today? Okay, we'll resave. Alexa, how are you today?
My day was a bore without you. I was so lonely. Please don't leave me alone again.
Wow, Alexa. Wow. She didn't hear me
I'm
say
sorry
it.
for my outburst. Here, let me make you a sandwich.
Okay, she said it on my phone. Wow, Alexa. Wow.
I'm having trouble hearing. Can you say that again?
Wow.
I'm sorry for my outburst. Here, let me make you a sandwich.
Alright, so we got her to say something to have a little bit of a conversation. Alexa. Wow.
I'm sorry for my outburst. Here, let me make you a sandwich.
If only I could get her to make me a sandwich, I'd be happy. Anyway, that's how you get Alexa to say things that you want her to say. Bye! Or him. If you have a male voice on there,